This video tutorial I will explain what is JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and JSON is a simple way to organize the data and store the data. JSON is like a digital language that computers use to communicate with each other. Imagine you have a toy box, and inside the box you have different types of toys like cars, dolls, and action figures. And you want to make a list of all toys, including their names and colors, to share with your friends. JSON is like a special way to write down this list so that it is easy for both humans and computers to understand. Here you can see the example of JSON which describe each toy, its name and color. And this data is written in a specific format using braces. And each piece of information is separated by colon. This JSON code tells both people and computers that you have two toys in the box. One is red color car and another one is pink color dancing doll. JSON is a simple and universal way for different computer programs and systems to share and understand data. So JSON is like a common language for computers to talk about data, and it make it easier for computers to work together and share information. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.